Hello everybody! I watched a short video about the couple received the bus and they had two options. I answered the following question. What were some of the things they considered before deciding whether they would push the button? They considered the following things before push the button. They can pay their bill, they will get money to have a better life. On the other hand, her husband went to the police. They couldn't help them find the person who left the box for them in front of the door. What did they decide to do? They decided to push the button. Before they discussed the decision to push the button. At the moment, he didn't have a job. If they decide to do, they will help to solve their economic problems. According to her, why did she do it? Because she loves her family. If she does, she will receive the money. If she did, she would protect her family and someone somewhere in the world. It was very difficult to do. What's your opinion in this situation? Thank you for your attention.